So for downloading Microsoft Power BI desktop software, you just need to go to any browser, whichever browser you have using. Just simply write Power BI desktop download. Press enter and you see the second link, Microsoft Power BI desktop. You have to click on that. You will land on this page. Scroll a little bit down and you will see you have to select the language. So I'm selecting English. So make sure to select English and then simply press download, and whichever suitable version, just click on that version and press next. So I have 64-bit, that's why I'm using 64, and I already have the software, so I'm not downloading it. I am simply going to, double click on this software to start installing. So this is the way to install your software. One second. Press next and then I already have it. You simply just go next and next until it's installed in your system. Okay, just do it quickly.